You're listening to No Weather Radio Station KWO 37, broadcasting. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for east central Los Angeles County in southwest California until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Walnut, or 10 miles west of Pomona, moving north at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will affect Pomona indices around 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. When a tornado is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may be already on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors to the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.